We have completed two. Now we are starting with the third CSS battle. Third CSS battle is push button. So for this, we first need to analyze it. I think we have one this rectangle in the background of blue color. Then we have a circle of light blue color. Or is it a circle? Or we have one circle. That circle is having one center. That is background color. Then one might be border color. Then one might be outline. Right. Okay, we can go with only two dips here. So let me create two dips. A that will be our background rectangle and B will be our circle. Then I will create a style block, and in this style block I will do the body background color. Body background is this, and then I will do for A comma B both have position of absolute. Otherwise they will not come because they are not like display block element type, so they will not come up. So that I need also absolute, and also to position them in the correct place there, so I also I need absolute. So like that's why when I use absolute, so that's why I can go with A and B tags. Otherwise I need to use big tags like div and paragraph tag, this type of tag. But to use simpler tag we need to do position absolute. Now let me do the background for a, in this only I will style everything for this what we call rectangle. Background this, and width is I think it will be around 300 or might be more, 350. And height, let me check, height is around 200. It is more, we can always make it less, right? 150. Yes, I think it is correct. And width also only 300 might work. Let me do the left and top. Left, let's do 50. Okay, 50 is more. And top, let me do of 50. Yes, let me also enable the diff so that, okay, width I think is correct. Only top we need to increase to 70, 75. Yes, both are matching. Nice. That's it. Our rectangle is complete. Now this second rectangle I need to change it to circle. That I will do now in the B, and we will have of border radius of 50%. Here we go, it is circle. Now I need to change width and height. Width will be this yellow thing. This is I think 40. Yes. And height same. Height of 40. Now we can't see it. Let me change the background. Background, what should I paste here? Okay, it is small. Let me change it to 50. 50, I think it is correct. Now let me move it to the correct place, but that I will do later. First I am going to add border and outline. Border of 60 pixel. I think here I need to add pixel, right? Let's first try without the unit and the dark blue color. Yes, I can't see pixel. Yes, now I can see. Okay, I think it is 50 only. 50, right? Then I need outline. And I have not used outline, but I am not sure it is similar to border or it might need different type of style. Oh, it is similar. Then no need, only I need to change the color and I think we are good. Only I need to now place it in the correct position. Copy the left and top and put it here. Then left will be, I need to add around 75. 75 is good. And top, let's remove it to 0. Change it to top 0. Open the diff, it is matching. Okay, now I am just going to remove some white space. Then we are good to go, right? Anything else I can remove? Yes, this I can remove. This space I can remove. And this space also I can remove. Anything else I can remove? No, I don't think we can remove anything else. Now I am going to submit it. Submit and okay, I think this time I think I might get more score. 238. Same score as my previous score. And even characters are same. Wow.